Hey guys, Jared from Pro Photo Rental here, and listen, we need to talk. Everybody knows a C-stand. It's the most common stand that we rent. It's versatile, it's well known. We use it for all sorts of things, mounting lights, mounting reflectors, things like that. Recently, I've become convinced that there's a better option. I present to you the Beefy Baby. It has the same load capacity as a C-stand, 22 pounds. It weighs about the same amount, so it's not any heavier, but it comes with some really great benefits that I think you're gonna appreciate. The footprint of the legs is roughly 6 inches larger in diameter. That means more stability and more strength. It also has a Rocky Mountain leg, allowing you to adjust it for uneven terrain if you're shooting outdoors or next to stairs. But here's the best part. Look at how small that packs down. That's only like 4 inches in diameter. You can put a lot of these in your car, in your van, on set easily. It's just way easier to transport and store, as opposed to this unwieldiness. You've got these huge legs sticking out. It doesn't pack down very nicely. You should see the way that we get these back sometimes. Honestly, it's barbaric. So next time you need a stand with a baby pin, I think you should check out the Beefy Baby. You're not losing anything and you're gaining a lot. If you have questions about it, stop by the shop, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.